Hello friends, I'm going to make a cough remedy smoothie today. What we need a 1-inch ginger, peeled pieces, and 1 cup of pineapple, fresh or frozen, 1 tablespoon honey, quarter cup lemon juice, fresh, a little pinch cayenne pepper, pineapple and ginger. I'm going to make a smoothie, and lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to add the honey now. Add the cayenne pepper. Give a mix. We'll mix it together. Try my smoothie and get better soon. Thank you.